I've generated more than 77 million views on TikTok over the past year, and I want to give you my exact content blueprint so you can replicate my success with nothing but your iPhone and your face. In this video, I'm going to be going over my TikTok content strategy that I've used to generate views like this, and this, and this, and I could go on and on for days, how to generate views like this on your own social media accounts and turn that traffic, that audience, and those eyeballs into a business in less than 60 seconds using a platform like Whop. If you're asking, how do I go viral? What is Whop? How do I start a business? All of that's going to be covered in the next couple minutes in this video. Let's get into it. Before we start, drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. Let's get into it. So, first of all, TikTok content strategy. I have a few buckets that I tap into anytime I film a viral TikTok. I've been able to reverse engineer virality using this formula. Here's how it works. Ready? Video bucket number one. Controversial take that gets people going, right? Bring back stay-at-home Pilates wives. Our generation is depressed because we don't have a third place. Women aren't meant to work corporate jobs, right? All these videos are edgy. Travel as much as you possibly can while you're young. That's not super edgy, but you get the point, right? Nurses are not real people. Do you guys get tired, right? These edgy, controversial topics get people's attention right away. And watch how I deliver the statement. I don't say it wishy-washy. I don't say I think. I say we need to bring back stay-at-home wives. Our generation is so depressed because we don't have a third place. Edgy content gets right to the point. That's bucket number one. Bucket number two is observations about society. The biggest sign of intelligence is your social awareness levels. That's an observation about society, right? I'm saying everybody around the world has no social awareness, and that's why they don't, have any intelligence. That's an observation about society. Another observation about society, tipping in the United States is out of hand, right? So we have edgy topics, observations about society, and now my favorite bucket, the absolute bucket, I'm going to call it, right? Because I have a ton of videos that have gone viral where I say this falls into the same bucket, the biggest sign of intelligence, the most underrated vacation spot on the planet, the biggest green flag, right? One of the coolest cities in the country, the number one sign of intelligence. Let's see, where can I find some more? The greatest day of the year in Tampa, the biggest flex for a man, the best club in America, top 5 cities, right? The easiest way to get rich. I'm speaking in absolutes. I'm saying the ultimate, the best way, the easiest way, the top city in America, the this, the that, right? That's the third bucket, and the fourth bucket is just travel, right? Living in Florida, Naples, Florida, Miami, Pittsburgh, San Diego, Orange County, Tampa, Miami, right? All these different buckets, they cross over into each other, but anytime I post a video on TikTok, they fall into the bold take, the absolute, the observations about society, or the travel, or the lifestyle. And you're like, Christian, that's great and all, but how do I take this content strategy and actually turn it into meaningful traffic for my business? I want to show you how, because in one of these videos that might take me a minute to find, I talk about the easiest way to get rich. The easiest way, speaking in absolutes, one of my buckets, right? The easiest way to get rich is with a boring business. The opening of the video is just a very broad topic. The easiest way to get rich is with a boring business. Watch how I transition it. Transitioning from boring business to agency. Wait for it. DM me the word agency on Instagram and I'll show you how to get started. And guess what? The link was to a course on Whop. Once again, I'm going to talk about Whop here in a second, but the entire purpose of this viral video, 400 something thousand views, 29,000 likes, 44,000 or 4,400 bookmarks, all of this engagement pushed people to DM me on Instagram to learn more about my course on Whop. Hopefully this is helpful to show you guys how you can take lifestyle content, broad overarching topics, and condense them and push people to a destination on your website on Whop towards your business, right? So That is the content strategy that you can use to start going viral and start generating buzz for your business. I also want to show you guys one more thing before we jump into Whop here, so I can show you where all this traffic is supposed to go, right? If I look at, let's take a random video, right? You need to be going on as many side quests as possible while you're still in your 20s. I'm not saying side quests are really fun. I'm saying you need to go on as many side quests as humanly possible while you're in your 20s. If somebody watches that, they're like, this person is speaking with such conviction. He's speaking in absolutes. There's so much certainty in what he's telling me right now that I need to listen to what he's saying. None of these content strategies matter if your tone of voice is weak, if you're not speaking in absolutes, because you're just not going to sway anybody's opinion and no one's going to listen to you. Literally a mathematic equation of how I can go viral on command. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll count this one, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to count this one, 21, 22. I'm going to count this one, 23, 24, 25. 26. I have 26 videos, 27 at or around 1 million views. I go over 1 million views more than once a month on TikTok, and I could go on for days with how many videos are in the 6 figures. And you guys can recreate this following this exact strategy. Now that you have the content laid out, I want to show you how to monetize your traffic using a platform like Whop. Let's get into Whop. All right, guys, now that you have viral TikTok traffic pumping and you're getting views and you're getting eyeballs on your business, now it's time to create the actual business using Whop. So here we go. Ready? This is my first time using Whop. Let's build it, right? Whop is basically a digital product platform where I can host a course, a community, anything like that, and you can build a business on your phone in as little as 60 seconds. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it right here on video. So CB Writes Copy TikTok platform is going to be my Whop. And the headline's going to be go viral on TikTok on command with selfie videos, right? Continue building my platform. Just like that, my entire platform has been built. Obviously, it's very bare bones because I have to go in and set things up. But that is how quickly you can build a business on Whop, right? Let's add some apps to my Whop because I want people to be able to go through my course, win prizes, chat in the community, watch content, right? So courses is going to be the first thing that I create here. Obviously, because I'm going to build a TikTok virality course with all the traffic that I'm driving, go viral on TikTok on command, right? Continue, description, examples, scripts, and templates of how to go viral on TikTok with selfie videos, right? Just really quick example. And now the course is created. So now anybody in my Whop can go in here and view all of my course content, lesson by lesson, module by module, right? Video lessons, documents, examples, whatever the case may be. And then I would also have a chat, obviously, because I want people to be able to talk in the community, right? Yo, what's up? How do I learn how to go viral on TikTok? Whatever. There's the engagement aspect of it. So that everything's built out now, right? And I'm going to refresh this. We're going to go back in here to the dashboard, and this is the one that I just made. I have one that I made previously that's pretty much set up, so I want to show you guys this, right? The mathematical blueprint to going viral on TikTok, chat, content, courses, everything's in here. And then the cool part is I can even see my MRR stats, my ARR stats, finances, payments, payouts, disputes, resolutions, the whole 9 yards. And now I can even create links. So like, okay, Christian, I made a business. How do I actually get people to pay for it? Here we go, right? Go to here, go to checkout, TikTok course. I'm creating a link for my course. I want to create a pricing option, a paid option, subscription. Let's do $1 a month, right? For example, okay, I just made the checkout page for $1 a month. And if I grab the link, I can go into here, I can paste it in, and I now have a checkout page. I guess I have to finish setting it up in Whop, but the link is made, right? As simple as that, to create a payment page to actually check out and collect money, right? So pretty cool. Like, I know a lot of the hesitation with starting a business is the logistics of how do I actually, make a business that can be monetized, this and that. It's really confusing. Whop makes it incredibly easy to actually do that. Okay, so for whatever reason, the link isn't working for the store page, but the payment page is set up. Everything is set up on here. I can even make promo codes for affiliates, right? If I want somebody to promote my Whop, I can do CB Writes Copy as a promotion, and they get, 10 10% of whatever they sell, or a fixed amount, whatever the case may be. And now I want to go through the Discover page on Whop, because Whop is basically like Amazon for content and online courses and businesses, right? You can go into here and discover businesses for reselling sneakers, real estate, trading, Forex, bankroll management, studying, right? Print money with TikTok, generate viral videos, become a viral master. There are so many different info products on here, and there's literally been over 500 million spent on Whop this year alone. And every single week, over 2 million people are on this page. So if you start a business on Whop over here, right, as a creator, you can discover and probably get your business discovered on this feed, which is pretty insane to think about. So finally, once you have your Whop set up and you're joining different Whops, all of them will populate here on the feed. This is basically like Instagram, but only shows you content that you're paying for, and you only get relevant content, right? So if I want to learn TikTok trading, sneaker reselling, it's all going to populate in this feed. And you can sit here and doom scroll a feed of making money rather than sitting on Instagram watching short form videos and getting sucked into TikTok, right? So that is the incredible part about Whop. Not only can you create a business, you can also check out their feed and discover new businesses and get your business discovered organically. This is as raw of a video as you guys are going to get, right? I am not, making this just to show you guys what a business is. Like, I've never used Whop before in my life, and I'm showing you real time how to actually go on Whop and start a business. All right, guys, I'm on desktop now to show you guys how to finish setting up the logistics of everything, because Whop has an app and a desktop, so the app is really good for just managing your community and stuff. But to finish the setup, I would highly recommend going on desktop. So let's do a pricing option, paid, a subscription, obviously, right? Let's do $10 a month for a year, right? Unlimited stock. We'll do a free trial. You can add a free trial on Whop, which is crazy to think about. You can have a split pay. You can have a wait list, which is all crazy. Just the level of options you guys can do or have access to with Whop is crazy. You can drop reviews, you can collect reviews, you can have FAQs from people. All right, guys, I figured out how to set up payouts on Whop so that you actually receive money for when people join your course, and that's all going through Stripe. Whop partners with Stripe to basically handle all of your payouts so that you can get paid. I'm not going to sit here and go through all my personal information with you guys, but everything's processed through Stripe, so you're secure and you get paid out properly. So yeah, guys, literally the business, the course, the discoverability, all the payments and the payouts, the logistics of setting everything up is handled under one roof, which has not been possible with any other course business or any other course platform in the history of online business from what I've seen. You have Discord, you have platforms like School and things like that where everything's kind of branched out. Whop congregates it all into one platform so you can get paid out, host your course, everything in one place. I hope this was helpful. I'm not going to sit here and do the personal payment information with you guys, but that is how you start a course on Whop and handle everything from A to Z. Drop a thumbs up if you liked, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I want to do more content-based videos moving forward, get away from cold email a little bit. So if you guys liked the topic of viral short-form content, please let me know, and I'm happy to do more videos like that because I want to broaden the subject matter on this channel. So thanks for watching. Cheers.